Zimbabwe finds itself at a precarious crossroads, with a chilling statement attributed to a source close to Vice President Chiwenga, suggesting the nation has never been this close to a civil war. Zalapina mashoko anobuda panguva ino achionekwa kunzi VP Chiwenga panguva ino is very close. And panguva ino osvika pakutaura kuti nyika yedu yeZimbabwe yava pedo pedo aiwa nekusvika civil war. Don't forget to subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Team namzara nasi tona headline rokuda nyika vachinzi General Chiwenga's civil war warning as Team mnangagwa pushes for Cape 3 victory, unpicking the VP's diary profess. This alarming pronouncement emerging amidst the contentious Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3, Cape 3, and persisting rumors of deepening rift between President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his deputy cannot be dismissed lightly. It hints at a profound internal strife and political instability that transcends mere political rhetoric, touching the very fabric of the nation's security and government structures. The context of this stark warning is critical. It surfaces as the Team Mnangagwa faction within the ruling ZANU-PF party vigorously pushes for Cape 3, a legislative maneuver widely seen as an attempt to extend President Emmerson Mnangagwa's tenure beyond his constitutionally mandated 2 terms. This proposed amendment, currently under debate in the House of Assembly, would not only prolong the presidential term but also extend the life of Parliament, effectively paving the way for Mnangagwa to remain in power until 2030. The source close to Chiwenga was unequivocal, stating, "We have never been this close to a civil war because of this bill, and those within Mnangagwa's faction within ZANU-PF knows it." Though my developments are good upon what comment section videos of any more to live on service. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.